Not every frequency was meant to be explained. Some were hidden to awaken the part of you that still remembers heaven. Saw the portal open in the middle of the night. Gold across the darkness, revelation wrapped in light. Heaven wrote the blueprint long before I understood. Every hidden frequency was working for my good. I was searching through the silence, trying to discern the sound. Then the architect